Welcome back to Badass Body Shop. On this episode, we show you some of our more basic work, learn a little bit more about Safari and see their cool waiting room, show you our shop flooded with Defender parts, and we take a look at one of the most badass cars we have had in the shop. Let's get to it on Badass Body Shop.
What, are you shooting some footage for Rotting in Style?
Nah, not even close.
Or are you looking at how does a punk waste his money? Look at this. Look at that.
Yep. That's
Ralph Nader would love this thing.
That's from hauling ass on I-4.
Hauling ass. Ralph Nader would love this. Unsafe at any speed. Ask him where that came from.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom, for parking her car.
And Hemi swap it, because they already make a kit.
Is one of those. If is one of those two-letter words that are the biggest one in the dictionary. Is if.
Yeah.
If.
If you had a...
If my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle. So if... Now, the Jaguar, on the other chance, right there, would put a coat of wax on this thing every day. He knows it. But we're not going to go there because he gets buttered.
You feel like a big man now? Now that you got that off your...
I got that off.
Your hairy chest? I feel like a better
I was
man?
sitting in my office and I heard what sounded like somebody revving a boat motor, is what it actually sounded like.
Right now I'm trying to take out this wheel liner so that way I can get this quarter panel off. Well, it's a Volkswagen Passat. Been hit in the right rear, obviously, right here. So basically I'm just tearing the car down, get it ready for a pull that out, and then we're going to replace the quarter panel with a nice brand new one. We'll section it in, put some sleeves in it, make it look brand new.
John has things covered here. Let's see what Dan's doing over at Safari HP. Let's try that again.
You guys saw this in a previous episode. It wasn't quite together now, but this is actually the customer waiting area. When there's a customer here, if they're getting some just service work done, this is also the area where you're going to find several pieces for your Defender badging, a couple Hot Wheels cars, key rings, books, other accessories, some nice seats, t-shirts, hats, mugs, various other accessories for your Land Rover Defender. And these two nice, wonderful leather sofas and nice TV with watch a movie or relax if you have a couple kids with you while you're waiting. And then of course our Safari Art, which is this wonderful front end of a Defender that was been clipped off and refashioned as wall art. Really nice piece. Coffee, and as you can see, take a look around. It's come a long ways.
Dan, we need a cool room like this. Stucky's good with that kind of stuff, right?
You got a joke?
Yep.
I'm joking.
Never mind. Dan, let's meet Arnie and find out what he does at Safari HP.
All right, we're inside the production office over here at Safari HP, and today we're going to talk to Arnie. He's the production manager. Arnie, tell us what goes on here.
All right, as far as production goes, we do parts, we coordinate with trucks as far as building goes, inventory, make sure everything's in stock, dealing with customers as far as helping them do rebuilds, any parts they're looking for, basic coordination, logistics, and organization for the shop and how we get things done here. Super fun time.
Keeps you pretty busy, huh?
Yes. Very
Right. Well, it's been a pleasure, so good luck on your day.
We may need someone like that because our shop is full of Defender parts.
We're gonna go over a couple things that we've got from Safari HP. Shout out to them for keeping us fed. We're definitely trying to keep y'all fed too, so. But we've got a tub here. We've got another tub here. This one we just recently got done doing the body work and priming on it. And next thing is to get it bed lined. We've got some side window pieces here that need some attention. Here's another door. We've got that hood bodywork done, primed, so that's ready to be sanded down and then eventually paint. We've got this one here that's got some damage to it, and we're in the process of repairing it right now. Soon it'll be perfecto.
Defenders are badass, but this just might be a little more badass.
This right here is the world famous Commotion Chevelle. You see it running the Florida Top 10 on a regular basis. Actually, the driver of the Commotion Chevelle, Ryan, runs the Florida Top 10. We're ready to take a little road trip. We've been spending the last 2 weeks every test and tune event we can get, and now that it's ready, it's time to pretty it up. The car is heading west. It's 1970 Chevelle. It is an original SS 454 car. Not much original anymore, but it still is. Steel roof, steel quarters. It's still an all steel car. Say other than it's badass, and that's why it's here.
Sure is. Back to the boner. That's it for that.
That's badass. This is fat ass. And there you have it. Other than the front bumper and spoiler, which is in the booth, getting repainted, we're ready to go.
So what do you think? Badass or what? There's plenty more to come, but if you haven't had enough, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for some exclusive badassery. You better subscribe to this channel too. Do it. Stay badass.